Here we illustrate the basics of using the differential pair feature in DesignSpark PCB Engineer. This example illustrates a simple low-frequency differential pair for a sensor input to an instrumentation amplifier. The schematic shows the two signal nets, sensor positive and negative, that form the pair. For DesignSpark PCB, these need to be renamed to a specific format consisting of a common net name followed by an _P and an _N. A common first-time error is to simply append the _N and _P to the existing net names. This will not work. The net name must be identical before the _N and P. Launch the design technology. In the Net Classes tab, we add a new class for the differential pair. Now, on the Nets tab, we add our two differential pair nets to this class. This completes the schematic setup. Translate or forward the design changes to the PCB. Now launch the design technology, and on the Net Classes tab you will see your differential pair class. There are many options available, but here we simply set the class as a differential pair. On the Nets tab, we show the nets are set to the correct class. On the PCB, right-click on one of the differential pair nets and select Turn differential pair connections into paired tracks. The cursor now has a differential pair symbol attached. Right-click anywhere on the PCB editor and check that Allow Pick Connections and Route Connections at Pair Start are selected. Now click on one of the nets and the net lines behave as a pair. Move to where you wish the first segment to be placed from the pair start and click to place. You can then continue routing and placing differential pair segments. The midpoint of the differential pair is shown as a white line, and it is this that snaps to your grid. Close to the destination pads, click to place the tracks, then right-click and select Auto Complete. This completes your differential pair tracking. Press the Escape key to exit from the differential pair routing mode. From the built-in reports, you can generate a report for each track length and the skew between the pair.